this new thing. It's called, I don't know what it's called, but there's like different buttons. See that? One says rock and roll, one says robot, one says men, one says child. Right now, I'm doing the child. I'll show you all of them. So first, the child, I'm doing it right now. So yeah. Next one, men. I'm men. It's so fun being men. And yeah. Next one is robot. You might want to close your ears in 3, 2, 1. Ah! That's why you need to close your ears. If you don't want your ears to be clogged up with this sound, subscribe or you won't hear this when you go to sleep. Yeah, so subscribe and hit the like button. Make it gray, not red. Don't leave it hanging. That's why. So you don't want to hear a ringing sound. See, that's annoying. Okay, let's move on to rock and roll. It might sound like a robot, but it's rock and roll, baby. Okay. I don't really like this voice, so I'm going to show you the echo. It's gonna be weird. Whoa. Yeah. Yay. I'm awesome. Next is woman. Hello. Yeah, I might sound like the child, but I'm the woman. See? Look, this is the woman. This is the child. Woman? Child. Woman? Child. Woman? Child. One more left. I'm fuzzy. I might sound like another robot, but I am normal. Look at my feet. They look weird. They're dancing. Da-na-na-na-na. Okay. Guys, I'm going to say like this because the other ones are annoying. But yeah. It makes sense. Yeah, I eat burritos in the tub on the Doritos. On the Doritos. No! On the Doritos. On the Doritos. On the Doritos. Next time you see me in the Beatles So my rhyme sucks like a dime. So subscribe. It's cheesy mine, even though I don't like cheese. Ew. I'm back with another video. And yeah. Oh my gosh. Stop saying that. Oh my gosh. Stop saying that. Ow. Oh my gosh. Stop saying that. Hey guys, that's all for the video. Oh my gosh, shut up. If you want another one, subscribe and hit the like button. Like I already told you, because I'm not gonna, yeah, next in my video is gonna be, what is it called again? CPR, no, SPC, CSSA, where you're really quiet and you're speaking and you make sounds that are satisfying. Bye. Stay GG.